Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and a quick circle shaped earring pattern. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a fun, easy project. Let's dive right in and get started. First of all, we will look into the things needed. These are the materials I've used in the tutorial. If you are looking to buy them, you can check out the links in the description box below. Now we will see how to make it. You have to start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In round 1, we are going to chain 1. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then we need to work 15 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the double crochet. Again, this is the second double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets over here. This is the third one. 4, 5. Like that, we are going to continue making 15 double crochets into the magic ring. After completing 15 double crochets into the magic ring, I'm going to pull this tail tight to close it. And then we will just put a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet to join the round. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first double crochet here. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and then pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the first round. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with the round 2. There we need to chain 1. And then we need to work 1 half double crochet increase in each one of the stitches around. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. This is a half double crochet. Again, work another half double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is an increase. We need to work 2 half double crochets in the second stitch as well. One and 2. Again, work a half double crochet increase into the third stitch as well. 1 and 2. Again, a half double crochet increase into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Like that, we are going to repeat until the end of the round. Work 2 half double crochets as an increase in each stitch around. This is the end of the round, and then we need to work a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet to join the round. So insert the hook into the first half double crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round as well. And then we will start with round 3. There we need to chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. So insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Like that we are going to just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round, and then I'm going to leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that we will use our yarn needle to hide the tail like this. Now we have completed one of the earrings. Just repeat the process and complete the other one as well. After that I will show you how to put all the pieces together to complete the earrings. First take one of the jump rings, open it up using the pliers and insert that into a stitch in the outer round like this. And then we will put the second jump ring also in and close it up using the pliers. After that I'm going to take the hook ear wire and slide that into the jump ring like this and secure that with the pliers. With that we have completed one of the earrings. Just repeat the process and complete the second one as well. And there you have it, a beautiful pair of circle-shaped crochet earrings, quick and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet ideas. And if you'd like exclusive patterns and early access to my tutorials, be sure to check out my Patreon. Your support helps me keep creating more content for you. Happy crafting!